Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be changing the clutch on my girlfriend's Peugeot 28. Been meaning to do it for a minute, but keep forgetting or not having time, so I'll do that today. I've never done a clutch on one of these before, so I'll have to give it a good go, see what happens. It'll be right there, they should be quite straightforward. I'll just show you the car now. You've seen it before, it's on the channel, so. This is the Peugeot. Just took the wheels off, put some axle stands, wheels under, just wood at the back and all that stuff, handbrakes on. Just making it all safe and that to go under. I'm just gonna have to quickly have a little look into it, but I have to take the battery tray off and all that stuff. They're pretty straightforward. I did one on the C2, Citroen C2. Yeah, here's a gearbox, obviously. Got bolts all the way down and up the back. We'll see how easy it is. Take out the take everything off it and everything first. Drive shafts and that. I imagine. Sometimes you don't have to, but probably get all the fluids out of it and stuff. Just I'm taking off the drive shafts and stuff. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, there's a sump for the engine, it's so small. But yeah, we'll get all the stuff up top off so I can see down to it, the battery box and all that stuff. And then just start dismantle it. I'll probably just keep cutting in, not gonna put on anything on time lapse. More of just showing you what I'm doing than how to do it, I guess. But you find it informational and helpful to watch if you need to do one yourself. So we'll just get on with it now and see what happens. Alright, so we've moved the battery box and the battery. Removed a couple of cables just to get down here. Unclip that. Moved that nut there, there was a cable attached to it. Moved all that. More access so we can see the gearbox mount. And then took the wheel liner off. Just give it more access again. I'm just going to drain the gearbox now. And then we're going to get the drive shafts out. So, alright, I'm hoping the light isn't flickering, but it probably is. Got the gearbox out. Clutch up there. Flywheel and everything. Very rusty as well, which is weird. But yeah, didn't have to mess with the left side. Just mess with the right drive shaft. Just pulled out in the process. Bit tight, I'd recommend removing that bottom bar as well. Obviously we took the starter motor off as well. But yeah, got that all removed now. Alright, it's next day now because it got a bit dark last night. And here's the flywheel. I've just sanded it back a tiny little bit just to get the glaze off. That's all prep ready to go. Gearbox is over here. Need to change the throat bearing and clean up the spindle there. I'll just show you the old clutch. Here it is. It's not really that bad, but if you look on the top and the bottom, where is it? Top of there you can see. I think the other side's worse. It's very thin. I don't really want to touch it that one. You can see the top and the bottom how it's flat. Not the worst one I've seen. And that's all. See, that's done as well. If you look at the other side. But yeah, get the new clutch in now. Alright, got this, got the new clutch here. Got the clutch alignment tool on it. So now I'm just gonna go install this into the car, and hopefully everything's aligned properly. We'll see. Alright, I've got the new clutch and pressure plate in. Torqued all the bolts up to about 25 newton meters, all evenly go like crisscross, like that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, like a star pattern. So I've done that. See, it looks nice and right in the centre. Yeah, there we go. Got the throttle bearing in there. Greased it all up a little bit. Took that off, greased it. Sanded that down just a touch as well. Yeah, that's ready to go. It's all ready to go. So now, I don't have my mate with me, so I'm gonna have to try do this solo. And it's wet, so this will be fun. I'm not gonna time lapse out just because I'll probably take the mic to get it in. But yeah, let's quickly just get on with it. Stop messing about and see what happens. I'll cut back in when it's screwed in, bolted in even. Should be fun. See how long it takes me. Not sure when the last time I cut in was, guys. But we've got the gearbox all in. Just putting the battery tray in now. Got the struts all back together. Ball joint back in. That is getting replaced, don't worry about it. All the bottom ball joints are on. All the bolts are in. Everything's just getting put back together basically. Just the same as reverse. The same as putting it on, just in reverse. So you know, it's not different putting it on than taking it off. But yeah, getting it sorted. It's an absolute mission.
Down there, didn't it?
It's raining a bit. I'm soaked, absolutely pitted. Good fun though. Enjoying myself. You enjoying yourself, Grant?
Oh yeah.
That's good. Alright guys, we've got everything back together now. All the bottom, everything's back together. Got the wheels on everything, it's running. So what we're going to do, take on a little test drive, see what it feels like. And I'll report back and let you know. But that was a lot of work, that. We've never done one before, so we're a bit took us a bit longer than usual, but did it again, it'll be a lot quicker. Alright guys, it's been about a week and a half in the Peugeot. I was just checking everything. I thought I'd end the video on the Peugeot as soon as it started with the Peugeot. But yeah, it's all solved, it's all sorted now. I've had my girlfriend driving it for about a week and a half. She said it's spot on, way better than before. Before it was like, you know, you'd put it into like first or something. When you take off it, like juttering and stuff. So I mean, the clutch didn't look that terrible. Like, we had a good look at it, didn't we? And it was kind of fine, but you know, it clearly needed doing. So yeah, I'm quite happy I've got it done now. I kind of had it on the back burner. Finally, we got round to doing it. So she's happy, I'm happy. There is one slight issue with like a tapping noise. I believe it's probably the engine mount or something. So I'm gonna have to look into that and solve it. But apart from that, it went quite smoothly. But yeah, hope this video was helpful to you lot, and thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.